Lucas Eder?
These three are cheap.
No, I am.
But what he doesn't know is that I'm recording right back at you.
But you're Lucas Eder? Oh, this dude right here.
Really small.
He's Lucas Better.
Oh, Lucas Eder.
Oh wow, it is a
Roasted.
Hold on. Oh, I have one of those, but I lost it.
Oh, this kid right here.
I have another one, but one of the corners.
You could call me Felix Zemdex. Like, is it fell because I fell this morning
Yeah, I
on the
put the
floor?
loop service on it.
Wait, Mr. Phelps Zemdex? So, like, my
No, Felix. Like, I fell on the floor this morning, so that's why.
Is this hashtag Felix Zemdex?
Can I try your carbon fiber?
Felix
I just
Zemdex.
want to see how it feels.
I'm not trying to make a meme out there.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
You can't solve this.
Probably lose.
You can though.
I'm bad at Ortega.
Flyers, YouTube,
Really bad at it.
No.
and then
No.
flyers.
No. You can't solve the impossible solve.
But you can though. What the hell?
Yo.
Hey. You can't do it.
Did I give up?
Scrimmy.
Hi, shout out to fellow Zemdegs, this little dude right here. Shout out to Asian Lucas Better. Lucas Better right there. Lucas Better. You are Matt Volk. You are. You are.
It's vlogception.
You are. Yeah,
But what he doesn't know is that I'm
Let me out of this frenzy.
Alright, look for heart and then.
Oh god, that's like right. Wait, what the heck is this?
Shout out your channel.
Shout out to the hobbyist.
Shout out to California Cuber.
Shout out to.
Wait, you're California Cuber?
Wait, you're California Cuber?
Yeah, I am. Oh wow,
Dude, shout out to California Cuber.
hello everybody.
I don't even know your channel, but like, I mean,
I saw your main video.
They feel nice.
Hey kid,
Going to beat me.
I'm robbing these.
It's
go
magnetic.
ahead. Wait, what?
Dude, these are like some crap. Oh, no, they're
You're a Cool Ranch Dorito?
No, I'm actually male. I'm a male. A male box.
And you're the Cool Ranch Dorito.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Nah, I'm just kidding. I sexually identify as the Torah.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. And you are, sir, you are, what is your gender?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I said
Hey, you want to buy some cubes that I'm not selling? They're in my van.
Is that a trick question?
That is a trick question because I'm not selling any cubes.
I'm not sponsored
Huh.
by Speedcube.
I messed that up. Oh no.